So I'll zoom out a little bit. We started with a webhook node and we sent in a request which contained all sorts of assignment and user-specific data. We then sent this to the first agent, which did some research and provided us with the first draft of our copy. Next, we took the output from the first agent and sent this into an input of the second agent. This agent did additional research and wrote out the second draft. Then we converted these drafts into 8 image prompts using an OpenAI assistant. And then we hit 6 different visual models in order to generate our images. We used Flux, Ultra Realism, Minimax, Imagen, Recraft, HighDrive, and GPT Image 1 from OpenAI. From OpenAI, we processed base 64 data. We set that data in the set node. We also gave it a file name. And then we moved that data into a binary file. And then we sent that binary information to an AWS S3 bucket. Then we set the data again to create the perfect URL. Then we utilized a code node to parse the response. Then we set that data into another set node. Then we used Banner Bear to create different compiled images. We worked with the run node to give a small timeout in our workflow so that the Banner Bear nodes could finish. And then we used another agent to do tags and keywords research work for us. And then we parsed the response with custom code. And then we compiled all those assets into an HTML object. And then we used some additional custom code to convert new line characters. And then we did our final set of all of the generated data that has been created. We pushed that into a Supabase table. Finally, we have our items being generated and sent into our Supabase table. And from there, we simply used SendGrid to email the results to the user. All right, let's mark this as flow success. Thank you very much for watching.